Now that we are done with answering letter A and letter B, let us proceed to letter C. We have 2x plus y plus 2z equals 1, which is our equation 1. X plus 2y plus z equals 2 will be our equation 2. And lastly, we have x minus y minus z equals 0 as our equation 3. Step 1. The variable that we want to eliminate is letter z. So we're going to use equation 2 and equation 3. Combining like terms, we have 2x plus y, eliminating the variable z, equals to number 2. So this is our equation 4. Now the next step is we're going to eliminate z but using different equation. The equation that we're going to use is equation 1 and equation 2. Since we want to eliminate the variable z, we are going to multiply equation 2 by negative 2 in order for us to eliminate the variable z. Now multiply using distributive property. With this, we can now eliminate the variable z. Combining like terms, the variable x will be eliminated and y will be negative 3y is equal to negative 3 since z is also eliminated. Make the coefficient of y equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. We now have the value of y, which is 1. Step 3 is to get the value of x. Since we now have a value of y, which is 1, to get the value of x, we are going to use the equation 4. Remember that the value of our y is 1. Isolate 2x by transposing 1 to the right side. Now make the coefficient of x equal to 1. Therefore, the value of our x is equal to 1 over 2. Now we have the value of x, which is 1 over 2. Now the last step is we need to get the value of our variable z. To get the value of z, we are going to use equation 1. Since we already have a value of x and a value of y, we are going to substitute that value to the equation 1. Our y is equal to 1 and our x is equal to 1 over 2. Multiply 2 times 1 over 2. Now, we need to isolate 2z. Transpose 1 and 1 to the right side. Combine like terms, we will have 2z equals to negative 1. Next step is to make the coefficient of z equal to 1. Therefore, we need to divide 2z to 2. Now the value of our z is equal to negative 1 over 2. Now the answer of C is y is equal to 1 x is equal to 1/2, and z is equal to negative 1/2. We already have the answer of letter A, B, C, and lastly, we need to get the answer of letter D. By doing the same process, we need to have equation 1. And our equation 1 is 4x minus z equals 6. Our equation 2 is 3 over 5y plus 1/2 z equals 0. And our equation 3 is 1/3 x plus 2/3 z is equal to negative 5. Step 1 is we're going to eliminate z using equation 2 and equation 3. Since we want to eliminate z, we are going to multiply. Multiply equation 2 by 2/3 and multiply equation 3 by 1/2 in order for us to eliminate the variable z. As you can see, we can now eliminate the variable z. So 1 over 6x minus 2 over 5y is equal to 5 over 2, which will be our equation 4. Step 2 is we're going to eliminate z using different equation. Namely, the equation that I choose is equation 1 and equation 2. Since we want to eliminate the variable z, we are going to multiply equation 1 by 1/2. As you can see, we can now eliminate the variable z. Combine like terms, we have 2x plus 3 over 5y, eliminating the variable z and equal to negative 3. Therefore, 2x plus 3 over 5y equals negative 3 is our equation 5. The next step is step 3 is we're going to eliminate y using equation 4 and equation 5. Notice that our y has the same denominator. Therefore, we are going to multiply our equation 4 and equation 5. Since both has the same denominator, equation 4 will be multiplied by 3 and equation 5 will be multiplied by 2 in order for us to eliminate the variable y. Now we can eliminate variable y. Combine like terms, x will be 9 over 2x. Eliminate y. And is equal to 27 over 2. Make the coefficient of x equal to 1, therefore we are going to divide 9 over 2. Now we have the value of x that is equal to negative 3. Now we have the value of x which is negative 3, we're going to find the value of y and z. To get the value of y, we are going to use equation 5 since we have the value of x, which is negative 3. Substitute x with negative 3. Make the coefficient of y equal to 1. Therefore, we are going to divide 3 over 5. Now, the value of our y is 5. Now, we need to find the value of z. Get the value of z using equation 2. Substitute the value of y. Now we're going to isolate 1/2 z by transposing 3 to the right side. Make the coefficient of z equal to 1. Therefore, the value of our z is negative 6.